we doing?
I mean, really, like, it's not like we sit around and play our own songs all day long. There's like 400 songs. Why don't you play Secret Love? Come on, let's do that one.
Anybody ever make that request and they couldn't play?